PTE listening tips. Pay attention to high-scoring questions, write from dictation and summarize spoken text. Please like and subscribe our channel so that you can get regular updates. Other high-scoring questions, highlight incorrect words and fill in the blanks. Also work on speaking, repeat sentences and rate L lecture as they affect your listening score. Observe the word limit of 50 to 70 words in summarized spoken text. Make notes in erasable notepad. Manage your time. Be careful about negative marking. Pay close attention to the frequency words. Note keywords in question. Concentrate on repeated words. Write from dictation, always proofread for grammar and spellings. Mistakes. Check spellings. Skim the text before recording. Email sacaid@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know on which topic you need our next video. Click on the link given in the description box for more details.